Hello, my name is Eli.
Hi, I'm Zebediah.
Hi, my name's Jeremiah. In charge of what is planted on the farm. The three main crops, or the Three Sisters method, consists of corn, beans, and squash. This method was passed down from the Iroquois natives to us colonists. The three crops are very important to us because they benefit each other. The corn provides the structure for the beans to climb on so we don't have to use any poles. The beans provide a natural fertilizer to the soil for the crops around it. And the squash spread along the ground, blocking the sunlight and preventing weeds and hindering growth. And the prickly leaves of the squash help deter pests.
Hi, I'm in charge of the different types of crops we grow on the farm so we can make a profit. These crops are all popular crops all over the world and are in high demand, making them very profitable to farmers that grow these crops. Cotton is a cash crop because in the majority of cases, cotton was grown specifically for the purpose of being sold. Tobacco is a cash crop because planters usually ship their tobacco directly to England, where consignment agents sold it in exchange for cut of profits. Indigo, squash, and pumpkins were all also cash crops, but tobacco and cotton are the main two cash crops. Good.
Hello, I look over all the tools that we use here on the farm. Some of these tools include the sickle, hoe, axe, pitchfork, ditching spade, shovel, and rake. The sickle was used for reaping cereal crops. Ditching spades and shovels are used for digging holes such as for fence post holes. Pitchforks are used for carrying the loose hay from one place to the other so the livestock can have something to eat during the winter when there is no grass. They also use that hoe to keep the dirt very rich and loose and to get rid of the weeds. Rakes were a main tool because they needed to level out the ground or move things such as leaves out of the way. The final tool they used was the axe to chop down trees for firewood and more space.
In order to do all this, we have to have certain techniques that help us get to the year with a successful harvest. One being plowing. Instead of having to go through the fields with a hoe to loosen up the soil, we hook up a plow with a steel frame that is drawn by an oxen that goes to the field loosening the soil for us. As a plow goes through the field, we go behind it and the fresh soil and plant our crop seeds by hand. Once the crops are fully grown, we go through the fields with the tools my friend has shown and pick the beans, squash, and cut the corn stalks. After the harvest, we either feed our families or sell or trade them for goods or money. All right, let's get to it, boys.
Make a pot, throw them in the pot.
This is what the beans look like.
Going.
Boys, this is gonna be a good harvest this year.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching our video and about the trade we use and all the tools and techniques we farm with.
Have a good day.
And keep on farming.